How big a threat is ROUSD to XRP? It is the reason that XRP is going to be successful. They are like peanut butter and jelly. Like, you really can't have one at scale without the other one. You need precedent for stable coins on the XRPL, and Ripple has set that with ROUSD. There's been over $1 billion ROUSD minted. They just minted like $193 million worth of ROUSD today. That was another big deal. We also had Ripple's escrow release a little bit earlier this evening. They relocked 700 million. They kept 300 million out. It's still sitting in the wallet. They haven't sold it out onto the market. Last month they sold about 200 million onto the market, so not the full 300 million that they have been holding or selling off in the past. So we'll continue to watch that wallet and let you guys know that is a way that they could absolutely constrict supply on the OTC desk and dark pools if Ripple does not sell that onto the open market. Be a lot less out there for people to buy through those ETFs when the volume does hit. But back to ROUSD and XRP. So banks and institutions want something that's stable and reliable, that they can audit, that's transparent, that they can use. They will issue their own stable coins if they're large enough, but you'll learn this about wealthy people. They use OPM, other people's money. So they will borrow money, do other things with it, issue margin against it, put it to work for them to be able to generate more than the interest, and then they, pay those loans back. So I think Ripple will sit in a unique position with Ripple Prime. They're able to then, use ROUSD or XRP as premium collateral, issue margin against that, and then put that to work in different ways to generate returns for those that are using it in Treasury or other enterprise applications. So ROUSD complements XRP. It's definitely not in competition with it. It's an issued asset on the XRPL by Ripple. So Ripple controls it. They can claw it back. They can freeze it. They can do a bunch of things with it. XRP itself cannot be frozen or clawed back. If you send it somewhere, it's gone. It's going to that other counterparty. I don't know if you guys have ever done that or not, where you send it to the wrong place. That's not fun. There's a big knot in your stomach because it's gone. Unless somebody's willing to send it back to you, which isn't the case most of the time. So all that being said, I love the fact that both of those things exist. It's kind of a figure eight. It goes into ROUSD and then it'll flow back to their XRP and then back into ROUSD. It keeps the liquidity in this ecosystem. Very similar to how Tether's been correlated to the rise of Bitcoin. The more liquidity that there's been in Tether, the more value Bitcoin has accrued over time. It would be very similar to how more ROUSD and other stablecoins minted on the XRPL means higher price and higher volumes for trading, inevitably involving XRP to settle those transactions.